Hello everyone, and meet the heavy-duty collapsible wagon, designed to handle all your favorite outdoor activities. This premium cart is made from high-quality Oxford fabric that is both durable and easy to clean. The reinforced steel frame can safely hold up to 330 pounds of your most essential gear. Enjoy smooth movement across sand or grass, thanks to the rotating 360-degree front wheels. The adjustable handle provides effortless control while you navigate through the park or your own garden. It folds down quickly into a compact size that fits easily in your garage or vehicle trunk. Two convenient mesh cup holders ensure you stay hydrated while transporting items to the beach or campsite. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.